Welcome dear student. Today we discuss about the course named Determinant of Quality of Life. Topic is lifestyle diseases. Lifestyle diseases means the non-communicable lifestyle diseases and their prevention, that is non-communicable. Lifestyle changes. What is the lifestyle changes? In ancient prehistoric age, human beings are like animals, and nowadays he use and with obesity and number of diseases because their lifestyle is worst. Lifestyle diseases, the main diseases is obesity, hypertension, diabetes mellitus, type 2, heart disease, brain stroke, paralysis, asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, and others is cancer, mental diseases, anxiety, neurosis, depression, suicide, backache, arthritis, cervical spondylitis, liver diseases, and peptic ulcer. Metabolic like gout, fatty liver, osteoporosis, and Alzheimer. What is the changing scenario of lifestyle diseases in India? They have more than 50 lakh per year in the world due to lifestyle diseases, that is the cardiovascular disease. Million of death, that is the 9 million of death from cardiovascular diseases in India in 1990 and 5 millions of death in cardiovascular diseases in Western countries. But in 2020, there is drastic increases. The cardiovascular death, million of death of cardiovascular causes death in India, that is the 19 million, while in Western countries that is 6 million. Lifestyle diseases increasing very fast in India in comparison to Western other countries, occurring 10 years earlier in age in comparison to Western countries. Trend of lifestyle diseases in India. Obesity was 9% of entire population during 1990, which is now almost 25% in India. At present in India, 25% not only, 19% globally. Hypertension, 20% in males and 21% in female during 1990 in India, but now 23% in males and 22% in females. 15% death due to the heart diseases and 4% due to the cancer during 1990. But now 28% due to heart disease and 8% due to cancers. Earlier, 0.55% population had diabetes and 3% respiratory diseases, not now increased to 10% having diabetes and 4% having cancers. Factor causing lifestyle diseases. What factors cause lifestyle diseases, that is the non-communicable diseases? First of all, faulty life routine such as physical inactivity and diet. Developmental issues such as environment degradation, industrialization. Social isolation, dissatisfaction, mental stress, etc. and multiple forms and multiple excuses as alcohol, smoking tobaccos, drug abuses, family and occupational stress, negative thoughts and mental status, obesity, hypertension and diabetes type 2. The obesity, we discuss about the obesity in next lecture. There is a note of BMI and obesity category 1, 2nd and 3rd. Physical activity and exercises to reduce the life cycle diseases is excess calories intake and less burning of calorie in ground healthy, awareness of benefit of exercise, exercise demands, adequate time. What is the adequate time of your exercise and what is the adequate calorie you burn in a day, adequate temperature you do your exercise, and your stress-free nature and regularity in your exercise and your routine, and with proper manner, proper body posture and routine. There is the cardiovascular trade and to reduce the cardiovascular diseases, asthma, diabetes, you need balanced diet and healthy dietary habit, that is calorie intake adequate without excess and controlled carbohydrate and fat intakes, adequate protein, plants and milk intakes, adequate vitamins, minerals and water intakes, fresh fruit, vegetable, cereals and whole grains, high fiber diet, and controlled intake of food, regular intake of regular interval, stress-free dining, and balance uncontaminated food. You don't take the fast food because hypertension, no additional common salt, less fatty food, weight balance, stress-free life, and adequate sleep. Diabetes type 2, controlled intake of carbohydrate and fats at regular, less interval, stress-free and adequate exercise, physical activity, proper medication. High cholesterol, low density lipoprotein, that is the heart disease and stroke paralysis, all above, and asthma and COPD, no smoking, less fat. What is your lipid profile? Imagine your body is a small town. The then main troublemaker in your town are cholesterol. They have some accomplices too. The main partner in crime is triglyceride. Their job is to roam the street, causing chaos and blocking the roads. The heart is the city center of the town. All roads lead to the heart. When the troublemaker increase in number, you know what happened? They try to disrupt the heart function. But our body town has a police force too. SDL is the good cop who arrests the troublemakers and puts them behind bars. The liver then throws them out of the body through the drainage system. However, there is a bad cop too, LDL, who is power hungry. LDL release the troublemakers from jail and put them back on the street. When the good cop HDL is outnumbered, the town becomes chaotic. Who likes living in such a town? Do you want to reduce the troublemaker and increase the good cops? Yes, start walking. With every step, the good cops SDL will increase and the troublemakers cholesterol, triglyceride and LDL will decrease. Your town, that is body, will regain its vitamins. Your heart, the city center, will be safe from the troublemakers. Blockades, that is heart block, and when your heart is healthy, you will be healthy too. So, you eat the homemade food because benefits of homemade foods is controlled weight, better mental status, family harmony and peace, better control of blood sugar and bad cholesterol, less risk of heart disease and cancer. Lifestyle diseases and environmental degradation, that is the air quality index, the given in there, and I discussed in earlier slide. In pollution level, better for all individuals, satisfactory pollution, and the air quality index is near about 301 to 400 is more worse, and excess difficulty in breathing and even fatal in asthma, COPD and heart disease on long-term exposure. Invitation for healthy heart and active life. How you invite your healthy heart and active life? By say no to smoking and tobacco, reduction in bad cholesterol, prevention of control of blood sugar, that is diabetes, prevention and control of hypertension, reduction of mental stress, control of body weight, increase physical activity and comfort zone, and healthy diet and sleep. Say no to tobacco in all forms. Lower the bad cholesterol, that is given. Increase your physical activity, control your body weight, decrease your stress level, prevent high blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, control it. Say no to tobacco in all forms. Embrace a healthy diet. Thank you.